student, parents and teachers. You watching Genius Math channel. And on Genius Math channel we start a new class, 8th scholarship exam as per new syllabus. The easiest subject in the world is mathematics, and going through we discuss today about 8th scholarship and the syllabus, number of paper, which chapter is very important for exam, and so many things. Look on the screen. Here we discuss about the 8th scholarship exam as per new syllabus. What is meaning by new syllabus? Before 2016 the old syllabus, and after 2016 8th scholarship started, because previously their 4th and 6th standard have the scholarship exam, but as per the new syllabus the scholarship exam for 5th and 8th class. So today we discuss about the paper, syllabus, its mark, and on which level or what is the mark required for state merit and district merit. So let's start about today's lesson and discuss about the 8th scholarship new syllabus as per given by state government. As per new syllabus we discuss about paper first and paper second. There are paper first. In paper first there are two subjects, English and mathematics. English we learn as a first language for English medium. So the first paper, two subjects, English and mathematics. English have 50 marks and mathematics for 100 marks. Same we learn about paper second, and paper second there are two subjects, Marathi and intelligent test. Here the Marathi for 50 marks and intelligent test for 100 marks. And the Marathi language we learn for English medium as a third language. So it's very simple and to score more marks. So the paper first is 50 and 100, total 150 marks, and the paper second also 150 marks. So totally the scholarship exam for 8th is for 300 marks. So what's the criteria and what the syllabus for English first language and mathematics? And for paper second also Marathi and intelligent test. So let's see what is the syllabus and how we prepare, how we manage these all subjects within time, because the exam held in February, so you must complete your syllabus ending of December. And if you end or you complete your syllabus at the ending of December, you got 1.5 months to practice whole syllabus paper as a great practice to cover in district merit and state merit. So let's discuss about paper first and its syllabus as English and mathematics. As per given here, the paper first and for English language as a first language there are 50 marks, and the given main units is vocabulary for 3 questions, words and puzzles with riddles have only 1 questions for 2 marks. Language study. In language study we discuss about the grammar. The third one is language study, and language study is very important because language study have 4 questions in exam for 8 marks. Then grammar, and which topic in grammar we study in deeply when we class join. Just we have the unit name and their weightage for exam. So next is creative writing for 6 marks, reading skill for 6 marks, and miscellaneous example for 1 questions. So there are 25 questions in exam for 50 marks. So it's very easiest and important subject, English as a first language, for English language paper. If you want to give paper in English medium, then your first paper and their first part is English as a first language for 50 marks. Then we discuss about in paper first the mathematics subject for 100 marks, and very important, and the scoring or the key for district or state merit is mathematics, because mathematics is very easiest and tricky subject. If you understand the tricks or you learn the more tricks to solve question within 20, 30, 40 seconds, then also you have in merit list of district or state. So it's very important as a mathematics subject, and their units like number works for 3 questions, 6 marks. Then second one is operation on numbers, 14 marks, and ask 7 questions in exam. The next one is geometry. Geometry have 10 questions for 20 marks. The next mensuration, 10 questions for 20 marks. Statistics, 3 questions for 6 marks. Applied mathematics, 8 questions for 16 marks. And algebra, 9 questions for 18 marks. These are the main units. Then you study numbers. Then numbers have 6 and 7 chapters. Operation on numbers have also 6, 7 chapters. Geometry has 6, 7 chapters. Mensuration 3 and 4 chapters. So totally chapters there are up to 30 to 32. But the main unit is number works, operation on numbers, geometry, mensuration, statistics, applied mathematics, and algebra for 100 marks. And it's very important to understand the mathematics, because if you understand the mathematics and solve the question within second, then also you solve intelligent test for second paper. So is a key subject to cover your marks if you want come in district or state level. Now we discuss about the paper second, but before paper second we discuss about our classes for English medium student. Genius Maths online classes are available for English medium student, and these classes are run as for Zoom meeting daily at 9 to 10 p.m. from Monday to Friday. Classes are conducted by Zoom meeting or Zoom live classes. On Saturday and Sunday there are online tests as per the syllabus teach from Monday to Friday. And after completing the syllabus, end of December, after completing the syllabus, there are 10 question papers held on total syllabus to more and more practice to solving questions and face the main exam as a easy way. If you want join these classes, contact on 88 56 046 142. Contact these WhatsApp number if you want to join online classes for 8th class. 88 56 142, only to join online classes for English medium, and the time 9 to 10 p.m. Now we discuss about the second paper. What's the subject and what the topic, or which unit is very important. So let's see. The second paper is, in second paper there is a part first is Marathi as a third language for English medium for 50 marks. Means there are 50 marks for English medium part first Marathi as a third language, and there are 4 main units. In this, शब्द संपत्ती. शब्द संपत्ती हा एक असा महत्त्वाचा घटक आहे जो इंग्रजी माध्यमामध्ये या घटकावर 9 प्रश्न विचारले जातात, म्हणजेच 18 गुणासाठी हा घटक आपल्याला दिलेला आहे. दुसरा आहे आकलन. यामध्ये एकूण 6 प्रश्न आहेत. हे घटकांची नाव आहेत. यामधले जे टॉपिक आहेत किंवा जे धडे आहेत ते आपण नंतर सविस्तर जेव्हा तुम्ही क्लास जॉईन कराल किंवा क्लास लावणार असाल तर तुम्हाला त्या क्लासमध्ये हे सर्व टॉपिकची नावं दिलेली असतील, आणि हा सर्व नवनीत अभ्यासक्रमानुसार हा सिलेबस घेतला जाणार आहे. नवनीत मधील प्रत्येक प्रश्न गणित आणि बुद्धिमत्तेचा सोडवून घेतला जाणार आहे. मराठी आणि इंग्रजी तुम्हाला सेल्फ सराव करायचा आहे, त्यासाठी आपण गाईडलाईन करणार आहोत, टीच करणार आहोत. यानंतर तिसरा आहे कार्यात्मक व्याकरण. यावर 8 प्रश्न आहेत 16 गुणासाठी, आणि चौथा घटक आहे सामान्य ज्ञान. 2 प्रश्न 4 गुणासाठी, म्हणजे टोटल 25 प्रश्न 50 गुण. So in this way we discuss about Marathi as a third language in paper second as a part first for 50 marks. Then the second part is intelligent test, and intelligent tests have 100 marks as mathematics. Means in first paper English 50 marks and mathematics 100 mark. In second paper intelligence 100 and Marathi language 50 marks. And these are the very important units in intelligent test. The first is comprehension. There are so many varieties about comprehension like words problem, alphabets, correlations, and these have 5 questions in exam. Then second one is classification, and classification also have 5 questions. Classification for numbers, words, alphabet and figures. Then next one is analogy. Analogy also related with words, numbers and alphabet for 5 questions, 10 marks. Then next one series, 6 questions asked in exam for 12 marks. Then next one code language. There are 3 types code language: number code language, words code language, symbols words or symbols numbers or number symbols, mixed question, and only 3 questions appear in exam for 6 marks. Then next one is rhythmic arrangement as a numbers or alphabet for 3 questions. Then next one pyramid for 3 questions, and reflection and images 3 questions. These are very important topics for intelligent test. And also some topics here. Next one is logical reasoning for 6 questions, puzzles 6 questions, figure analysis 5 questions. So there are 50 questions for 100 marks. Shortly we discuss about this paper like as. Look at here, the conclusion of total syllabus is paper first English for 50 marks, mathematics for 100 marks, total 150 marks. And in second paper, Marathi as a third language, 50 marks, intelligent test 100 marks, totally 150 marks. So there are total 300 marks paper, and if you want come in district or state level, you have some special marks. And for special marks, Genius Math is always with you for mathematics and intelligent test, with English and Marathi grammar also. So what's the mark required to come? If you want to merit list for ruler, you must have more than 220 marks. For district level, 220 marks more than. If you got 220 marks, and in urban also 210 to 20 marks for district level. And if you want come in state merit, then you must cross 250 to 260 marks in state level merit list. If you want perfect guide with basic tricks to solve questions within second, you must join Genius Maths online classes from Monday to Friday on Zoom Live at 9 to 10 p.m. and Saturday Sunday online test, and a perfect preparation to come in state merit or district merit. If you check previous result about Genius Math classes, the result is also best. So many students come in district or state level. If you want to join, classes are running. For more information, you contact down or you WhatsApp on 8856046142, who give the 8th scholarship for all students. Best of luck. And if you want to join online classes Genius Math, always welcome. Thank you.